So I can, and sorry for the jeans, I can see ball without doing something.
I wanna thank the Lord for the blessings you bring on my way. I wanna thank the Lord.
Hey, hi guys. My name is Barry Leluma. I'm from Guinea, Conakry. I play for Kirivon Soksanche in Medfon Cambodia League. So I'm happy to be here with my bro Harry Spice from Alascopics TV.
All right. Thank you for joining us today, Barry.
Thanks.
How are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling okay.
Welcome. You're happy to be here. So, welcome to Phnom Penh.
Thanks.
How long did it take you to get from Dakar to this place?
Oh, I ride my motorbike around 2 hours because it was late.
But that's a little stress, right?
No, I like to ride motorbikes.
You like to ride a motorbike. So how long does it take you?
2 hours.
2 hours.
Max.
Okay, so we understand that you were transferred from Burma to Phnom Penh, to Cambodia.
Thailand.
From Thailand. Okay, tell us about your experiences in football between Thailand, Burma, and Cambodia. How was life for you in Burma? Let's talk about Burma first.
Oh, my life in Burma was very nice because the team provided everything for me. And I was in small city like Takeo. My team was province team, so. And it was Muslim side of Burma, so it was very easy for me. I really enjoyed the time I spent there.
Okay, so what was your best moment in Burma?
Oh, my best moment is when I think it was the World League because I was the only foreigner player in my team, so we finished 5th or 6th, and that was the highest ranking the team had since its foundation.
Since its foundation.
So, yeah, it was very nice, and for the first time the team could win 4 or 5 games in a row. That's never happened before.
Okay.
So, and it's make me feel happy. I was the only one foreigner there, but I could help the team a lot.
How many goals did you score?
I play as midfielder there, and I score 5 or 6 I think, and a lot of assists, around 10 or 12 assists.
Throughout the season?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, as a midfielder?
As a midfielder, and sometimes I used to start striker or I start midfielder to finish, but I was the only one foreigner.
Okay.
So everywhere there was a problem, so they just...
That means you were the machine of the team.
The Captain America for the team, yeah.
Okay, tell us about your play. After Burma, you went to Thailand.
Thailand, yeah.
Okay, what is the name of the team you played for first in Burma?
In Burma, my team name was Southern Myanmar FC.
And you transferred from there to Thailand.
In Nara United, first round 2019. Before I moved to Chamchuri United, second round.
What league division is that?
That's Thai League 3.
Thai League 3.
Yeah.
How many league goals did you score?
Around 12.
Why always around? Give us a specific number.
Because I never mind about my personal record, so it's most me, my team's performance is better. That's my how to say, even sorry. That's motivate me because I want my team to be better. So I never. Sometimes I even forget my record, so I don't care anything.
But don't you think that record is important for a footballer?
No, it's important, but I'm not the kind, because I'm not real striker. I'm not like record man guy, so I focus most on helping my team to make better performance. And I'm more like assist man than goal scoring machine. So that's.
But we see you score a lot of goals.
I'm opportunist. So I take opportunities to score. But
okay, tell us about your move from Thailand to Cambodia. You seems to be very international, so we want to know.
Yeah.
Your move. Tell us.
Yeah, you know, football life is that you have to move, discover. So at the end of the season of 2019, I wanted to change a little bit too, because I have been in Thailand since 2016, 17. After I left to Myanmar 2000. came back, I went in to change something different to see. So I tried Bangladesh, but it was not something I like. And I talked with my brothers here, John, you know him. So he told me to try to come back. He make deals for me, so that's why he's the one who brought me here.
So John work as your manager?
Yeah, he's a manager, but you know, we are here as brothers, so
Okay.
it's best of, yeah, so advices, counsel he gives, so you
Okay.
know, that it was him who made everything for my move here.
So outside Kirivon Sasanche, any other team was looking for you here before you choose
Yeah,
Kirivon?
I talked with 2 teams.
Okay.
Yeah,
You
I
want to
was-
tell us the names of those
No,
teams?
it's okay. I just keep it. But I was really close, and I even want to thank one of the team manager, who is one of our brothers. He was very nice.
Okay.
I almost joined him, so it was just unfortunately I went to other side.
Okay, before you came up openly with Kirivon, there was the news that you were going to sign for Phnom Penh Crown. Was that a true news or that was just a rumor?
I can say it's rumor. I can say it's new because it's. I think there was talk. As I told you, there were people who talking for me. So
Okay.
me, I was just here. They called me when everything was okay. They put me in front of facts. So the chat, the negotiation, I wasn't part of it.
So far, you have played in Southeast Asia. How many countries?
So from Malaysia, Thailand, Myanmar, and it's Burma. They call Myanmar if you don't know. So and Cambodia now it's 4 countries.
4 countries.
Yeah.
Okay, now 4 countries in Southeast Asia. Which of the 4 is your best? Though you are still in Cambodia, it's not your first time anyway.
Yeah, I was.
Okay,
Yeah.
tell us which one is your best.
To tell the truth, I think I like Cambodia.
You like Cambodia?
Cambodia.
Are you saying this because you are here
No,
now?
I'm
You are
not saying
afraid that
if-
you.
No, if you see I came back, it means that
You like the
I
place.
I like the first time I was here.
Okay.
So in the past I tried to come back, but I didn't find agreement to come back. So the life here in Cambodia is the life that suits me. People are nice. So the football is still growing now because some people stay outside. They think Cambodia there's no football, but Cambodian football is evolving too. So now, before when we play here, first time you know only 1 or 2 stadiums. So now all clubs have their own stadium. So the football is more professional, and the life is sweet me because I like simple life. That's why Thailand so sweet me because the Thai life is very simple life. Everything is okay there. So
Okay.
I think, but I can say Cambodia, Thailand.
Cambodia, Thailand. Okay, choose between Cambodia and Thailand.
But I spent most of my life abroad in Thailand, so
we want you to choose right now.
I think
Your fans want to know
most
between
of my
Thailand.
friends. Oh no, I don't want to hurt anyone. So
Okay, where do you
Cambodia,
have friends most between Cambodia and Thailand?
You know,
Well, I don't want to know. Where do you
I
have
play in
friends
more than
most?
4 or 5 teams in Thailand. So
Where do you have most
I
friends?
think it's Thailand.
You have most friends in Thailand.
Yeah.
Which food do you enjoy most?
Oh, I
Thailand
cook
and
myself.
Cambodia.
So
No, which food? You don't eat outside?
no, in Cambodia I like Bai Lok Lak.
You buy look like.
Yeah.
Okay,
in,
look like
in Thailand.
beef look like or
Yeah.
chicken look like?
No beef.
Beef look like.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. In Thailand,
In Thailand, I have many various foods. So I like the boiled, how to say, boiled chicken. They call kai tom, kai
Okay.
yang,
Mhm.
tom yum.
Tom
Everyone
yum.
know tom yum.
Tom
so
yum.
that is is the first thing I buy when I arrive in Thailand.
Okay.
And I like the Hawanese rice. They call khao man kai.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. And football is a very interesting thing. It takes you everywhere. When last did you visit home?
2019 January, February.
How was
year.
it?
Last year, I went there to renew my passport and to visit family abroad. And I just arrived there. My sister got sick, so I took the time to take care of her. I spent more 3 weeks, I think, at hospital with her. So it was nice that time I was there because it gave me opportunity to see the family, take care of my sister. So it was good time.
All right. Where exactly are you from in Guinea?
Oh, my name is the city of my.
So you are named after your city?
Yeah.
What is that?
Leluma. Is
Leluma.
the city where my father is from.
Is that in the major city or the village?
No, it's a province at maybe 500 kilometers from the capital.
People say that you look like a man from village. Is that
I'm
true?
village man, so I confirm it. I'm from village, and my name is Alpha. My real name is Alpha Umar, but I choose to take my city as because I'm ambassador.
Okay.
So now I'm bringing my city everywhere I'm going.
Everywhere you go.
Yeah,
That's-
it's make people from my city too happy to see the names of the city walking around. So
Well, we heard that you have played for, is it a national team back home?
I didn't have that chance, but I play for the biggest team in Guinea.
You
They
beat-
call Hafia FC
What year was that?
in 2012 before I left.
How many goals did you score for that? You never remember. You never remember.
I think 5. I was too young that
Okay,
time.
you think 5.
5, and I was playing left wing that time, so
Okay.
I was most crossing guy.
Okay.
And-
No, playing from the front, side front.
Yeah,
Okay.
left wing.
Okay. Good. So the people from home still remember. You have a lot of followers back home who are following everything you post online.
That's true, yeah, because I'm happy for that because people still, even I'm somewhere who people think there's no football, but there's some fans who still following me, advising me, happy for me even, so, and some guys even are hoping to do like me, so
Okay.
I think I have a lot of fans who still with me from the beginning, they are there, so, and I want to say everyone, merci beaucoup les gars. À tous les gens qui me supportent.
Yes, we want to see you speak more of your language. Speak more of your
I
language.
speak French. Donc
Yes.
je profite de cette occasion pour dire à tous les gars qui me suivent, qui m'encouragent, merci. Ça me, les commentaires me vont droit au cœur. Donc,
Okay, translate what you just said in
I
English.
said so for everyone who is commenting my pictures, advising me, following me, liking my photos and my shares in. I want to say thanks to everyone. It's give me more courage and make me happy to
Okay.
do more better.
Okay, tell us your favorite goal of your career yet.
Oh, puta. My
Do you remember anyone?
most of goals I scored, it's beautiful. They are beautiful. So
You don't remember your favorite goal?
let me think. I think I scored 1 goal in Myanmar 2018. So I will show you the video. It
Yeah.
was Messi style.
Messi
Yeah,
style.
from the middle, we went to the left, come 1-2 with my friends. So it was nice team goal. It was team built goal. So it's make me.
Okay, tell us your favorite goal in Thailand. Do you have any favorite goal from Thailand?
Oh, I scored last year 1 bicycle kick goal. It's my first time and I even don't know how I did it because I am scary guy. I never tried that kind of.
Bicycle kick.
I never. But that game we were. Yeah, we at the end of the game we were at 3-3. So it was that as you score or no win the game. So
It was a winner.
yeah, I decided the goalkeeper pushed the ball, so it was it was but unfortunately I didn't get that video. I'm still angry to that team. They didn't record that.
Okay, it's alright. It's alright.
It
We
was
meet some
nice.
sometime. So far, what have you had any of that similar goal in Cambodia League yet?
No, I have scored in a lot of nice goal from my first time here. This year I scored a lot of very nice goal too. Because all the goals I scored, I didn't score a lot too, but yeah, very nice.
Okay, let's compare the fans in Thailand and Cambodia League. What do you think? The fans.
The fans in Cambodia are better.
Really?
Yeah.
In terms of number?
Not number, just the love, the passions they have. Because here everyone call you idol. So I don't think even in Thailand they know that. No one call me that idol. But people in Thailand, they like you, they support.
Yeah.
Especially I play for one team in the south, they call Nara United. All the city, they live, they brave about the teams. Everyone, you go there, everyone is wearing the jersey. So, and the fields, almost every game is 4,000 and it's small city. So, big up to you guys, Nara United. Yeah.
He seems to love that team so much, right?
No, I love that.
You love Nara.
I love defense.
Why did you leave if you love that so much?
Because that is professional problem.
That is professional. Okay.
But they have the best fans in Thailand.
Okay, so what should the fans in Cambodia, your team, should be expecting from you? I'm sure you have a lot of fans who are expecting a lot.
Yeah, that's why Kirivon is a village too, Takeo. So
you always play for village team as a village man.
You call me village man.
Yes,
so
I don't call you. People call you, not me.
I don't. Just you call me now. So in Kirivon too, before COVID time, the stadium was full every game. So and a small city, everyone knows everyone. So
what is the expectation? Do you think that what do you think the fans should be expecting from you?
I think this year we failed already because the team goals was to be at top 5, but and unfortunately now we are at 8th.
8th position.
Yeah, 8th position. So
you don't think you can deliver them?
We have 4 games left, so I think we can
win the 4 games. Any chances of winning the remaining 4 games?
That is, I believe it in maybe 100%.
100%. Okay.
Yeah.
Good. Good.
Yeah,
good. So they should expect to see Kirivon back in the top 5.
I think you were here since 2012-13. You know Kirivon before it was bottom teams. So even you now, you can see many things evolved there. So I think in few years Kirivon will be one of the top teams here because the owner of the team, Mr. Soksabaina, is trying, and he wants help Kirivon because everything he's doing is about the team. So he's putting a lot of money there, and now the team has his own stadium. So it will be
so
okay.
Do you see yourself competing for the highest goal scorer this season?
This year, no, no chance. Privat is killing everything. So that guy, I hate you. So I let my brother. He tried that. So we will be fighting in the bottom. Then no problem.
Okay. What about next season? Do you think you can be fighting for it?
Next season, if I'm here, you guys Privat, it's okay. Let's go for next year. And I should, if for my turn, you have to massacre.
All right. Let's mention your 5 best player, African best player in the league. Mention them and the team they play. Yeah, here. Your best 5.
I don't want someone kick my ass behind when I go play with them. So
no. We're just having a conversation. Your opinion.
But the first thing I can say without doubt, the best player now, the best foreigner player in Cambodia is Private, no doubt.
The short Cameroon guy.
That crazy short Cameroonian guy.
He's playing for Precarish, right?
Yeah, Precarish.
I'm looking forward to actually.
Now he was the top scorer last season. So
how many goals?
I don't know, 27 or 30. I don't know, but he scored a lot, and now he is the leading top scorer too. So.
Okay.
But it's not even only about the goals he's scoring, but when you watch him play, you see how much he progressed. Because everything I'm saying, you were here in the beginning, so I don't tell you nothing you don't know. So when you see him, as African too, you are happy to see your brothers doing something. You know, we are in competition every time with other continents.
So how would you rate all the performance of our brothers, all our African guys playing?
Like after him, I can say the second one is Anderson. Yeah, he came here as a boy, but now he became a man.
That is too Cameroonian.
No, Anderson is from Ivory Coast.
He's Ivory Coast, yes. The defender, yes.
You don't like French-speaking guys?
No, come on. That is not what it is. I was confused.
He's from Ivory Coast.
He's from Ivory Coast,
He progressed a lot because he spent most of his time with Chana in Naga. So now you can't, if they say one defender in Cambodia, he will be the one. So
Addison as a number one defender.
Number one in defense, and
Prevent is
number one in the whole league.
Number one the whole league.
No. So after there is many.
Now let's talk about the contribution.
No, I didn't finish.
Okay, go.
Because I don't want the other guys kick my ass. So,
all right, you gave us two. Yeah, continue.
I see like our brother Timothy the Lion. You see how many he's hitting the goals in Phnom Penh Crown.
Okay.
So that is nice. Because now when you see the top scorer rank, you see Africans there, and the Africans are leading.
Of course.
It's make our continent proud.
I have not really watched Timothy, but I know how he plays before.
And from the first time he was here, he was center back. I give him red card now to become one of the top scorers here. It is a long way.
It's huge,
so,
you know. So that's three: Timothy, Private, and
Private, who is
Private.
Bata is one of the oldest guy here with experience. So now he's in Bonket, and I'm sure he will help them to fight. And this new guy, Gopane from South Africa, that is crazy good. He's crazy good guy. I see he crossed.
So we have one Nigeria, one Ivory Coast, one Cameroonian,
one South Africa,
one more.
Which one? Even which team?
I
think all Africans are doing good here.
You think they are all doing good?
Yeah, doing good. Because if you take Army, our brothers, Cameroonian, Yannick, he's playing. Nobody knows his position in the team, so he's playing everywhere.
Utility player.
Yeah, he's from right wing, left wing, striker. You don't know, you see him everywhere. So that is something great. And you know, usually here team don't use foreigners, right or left back.
So tell us the most difficult one you have played with in the league.
Most difficult team?
No. The most difficult African opponent you have played with.
It's Anderson. I still paining now. He give me one head. Yeah, he hit me here.
But you are French. He hit you in the feet.
Yeah, and he said in French, I don't care. After the game, I will say sorry. So he was the one who make me suffer a lot.
So do you have any differences with him after the game?
No, it's football. He fight for his team. After we are brothers, and after the game we still brother. We even like, but I kick him after the game to say I pay for me because I didn't want to have yellow card in the game.
What was his reaction when you kick him after the game?
He ran away because he knows I was coming. Yeah, but he gave me a tough game. So
he gave me a tough game.
And I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
It's a good competition.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, that's beautiful. Anything else you want us to know about you, Barry? Tell us about your love life.
Love life.
Are you married?
I pass.
Okay. Okay, you don't want to tell us about that?
Yeah, my private life, I keep it for myself.
You keep it for yourself. Are you the only one playing football in your family?
Not even in my family. I think in my whole village, I'm the only one.
Yeah, the only one.
I had a lot of struggle playing football. I wasn't supposed to be in Asia fighting to survive. I should be in Europe, but my family is not football family. So I had no one to support me. I fight my own way to become a football player.
What was the challenges you were facing?
The challenge, the whole family. Always I went out, play football, I came back, it was tack. They beat me a lot, but the passion was too much, I could not. I had to go play football. Okay. So my father never knew I was playing football until I started to have a name in the country. Because if I had someone to help me, I think I should be playing in top league in Europe. Because the talent I have, but the chance, I can't say I don't have chance, but I think I could have better chance and I could achieve something more better. Okay. But I had to fight my own way. Brought with one fake agent sent me in Malaysia to show you brothers Africans say, don't follow agent who told you they have team for you in Asia. because he brought me in Malaysia, he disappeared. So even since that, I was there alone. He left me alone in Malaysia.
But you seem very successful. Are you regretting it or not?
I can't say that much. I can't say I don't have chance, because despite everything, my career here, I will not change it for something, because I'm happy to come team new, because now most of people in my country are watching Asian football, so they
because
know.
Of you.
Yeah, me and some fews,
Yeah,
so now,
kudos to you.
and we are like the ambassadors, so we come here to open new path for the future generation who will come.
So if not football, what else do you think you would have done?
I don't know.
You don't
Yeah.
really?
Yeah, I was really
But you
smart
see,
boy high school, but it was.
But since you are a villager, you can become a
Yeah,
farmer.
maybe. Yeah, my father was policeman, but he finished farmer. Maybe I think I.
Yeah, you can help. You can just go to farm.
Yeah, we had farm already.
You think you can farm?
I can do any kind of things if you want. I helped my father a lot when he was alive. So, and that's why I like village, because the farm life, the plantation, and I'm Fula man. You know, you are from Nigeria, so we follow always the cow and the buffalo. So we are. I have a lot of cows in my country. So if you want order, I say, but I don't have ram meat for you.
Wait, that brings me to the real topic. That brings me to the real topic. A Muslim man like you, you fail to provide us ram, especially me. Even I was giving you and Bata a tough time. You guys didn't give me ram. I hope you brought ram for me.
I talked with Bata last time.
Okay.
So I give him money already. I'd advance him. So
Bata will see this video.
You sure he will see it?
He will see this video if you are lying.
Yesterday night we were together.
Okay.
I advanced him. I told him, so now me, I'm in Takeo. Because now he's playing Bonket. He's in Phnom Penh.
Okay. So I'm going to eat my ram.
Yeah, you're right. Bata, give him his ram meat.
No, not him. Mention the name.
Give Hari his ram meat. Now, the money I advance you, don't joke with it.
Okay.
And I want his stomach to be like Eselmo Bellet players.
So you have given back. I want to confirm that.
I advance him already to complete it.
And when you say advance, it's like you have.
No, we are sharing 50-50.
So when is he going to call me for the ram? If you don't call me for the ram, it will cost you your job in Takao. It is everywhere.
Me, I give you one. The next game Bonket is playing, you go wait at the bus, the door at the stadium. So if don't he show up there, you ask your ram. If don't no ram,
okay,
money.
All right. Oh yeah, your last word. Your last word.
Yeah.
What do you have for your fans? The last word.
For my fans.
Yes.
Oh.
For people watching you from Africa, from Asia, everywhere.
Everywhere. I have fans now in Europe, America. So
anywhere.
Yeah, my jersey is still around everywhere in the world.
Yes. So what is your final word for them?
My final word is thanks for believing in me, for still following me, even I'm in place where, like I'm saying, some people think there's no football, but people still following me, and it's give good image of the country where I'm playing too. So I'm grateful for that, and I will continue to fight, because I think I can do better, and I will do better. So I will not let them down. So gracias, merci beaucoup.
Speak your Kalakule language.
What you want me to say?
Speak your Kalakala Kulukulu language.
But you told me already you don't like French people. I have French speaking language.
Because of you, I'm trying to like it now.
Okay. So
okay. Say something to your French followers.
Donc, à tous ceux qui me suivent, à tous ceux qui ont cru à moi et qui continuent de croire à moi, donc merci du fond du cœur. Je l'ai déjà dit au début de l'interview, donc merci, et je ne vous laisserai pas tomber. Je veux me battre et je ferai de mon mieux pour encore devenir meilleur que celui que je suis aujourd'hui, et je vous rendrai fier de moi. And peace up à toute la Guinée, rouge jaune vert. Je vous aime. And one last thing, everyone following this video, please go like Alascopic TV.
Alaska Spice.
Alaska. I
Alaska
speak in French.
Spice.
You see my problem.
Alaska Spice.
No, but
Alaska
okay, I
Spice.
speak in French.
Okay.
Parte Alascopic TV, and in English Alascopic TV. So spell it. Spell it.
Why you cannot say Alaska Spice?
Me, I see the pipe as a people.
You see why I don't like French people?
Yeah, because sometimes I confuse my mind. Talking too much languages is that problem.
All right, thank
Yeah,
you. You're
yeah.
funny.
Thanks,
You're funny.
yeah.
Thank you. All right, merci beaucoup.
Thank,
Merci
bro,
beaucoup.
and thank
Bye-bye.
you for inviting me.
Yeah.
And I'm very happy, and I'm following your job too from the social network. I'm very happy you are doing something you like, and I think I could help you have more like and followers. And I wish you the best of the luck in your work too.
Thank you.
Because it's always give happiness to see your brother doing something, and you always wish him success in his job.
Thank you.
So I love you, my bro.
Oh yeah, I love you
See
too.
ya.
Bye. Merci.
In Cambodian, Okunchiran.
Okunchiran. Good.
And please help to follow and like his page and his profile, Instagram and Facebook. So thanks, bro, for inviting me here.